to Bruhas. How have you been? So I am not back after long this time. So I think last week only I have posted a vlog, and this vlog is also going to be very interesting. I have made this video. I am making this video with all the questions that you keep asking me in my Insta DM and like YouTube comments. Oh my god, that's such a nice air. Okay. So for today's video, I have a very good and silly friend of mine with me, Harshini. Clapping. We're from second year BSc Psychology.
Fourth semester,
Yeah. So Harshini, how do you feel here, like to be in my channel?
This is such an honor to be on Bruhaha, a toys channel. Like I've been waiting for this day since I was born. Okay, I was born to do this.
That is too much. Okay, so we have jotted down the questions and then we'll be answering them. So firstly, we have like BSc and MSc both. MSc was introduced this year itself in our college. And yeah. Okay, so we'll start with answering all the questions. First, okay, would you like to answer this? What are our college timings?
So for our psychology department and in PS Journal, we have odd semester and even semester system.
Yeah.
For psychology, in even semester the classes begin at 8 and end at 4, whereas in odd semester they begin at 8:45 and ends at like around 4:45ish.
Yeah. Okay, the next question is the fees. So actually we can't say anything like surely of the fees because it keeps changing.
Exactly.
For like we have paid some different amount than what our juniors paid this year.
Yes.
So yeah. Okay, so the next question is, how is your faculty?
So we have really nice faculty. All of them mostly are, they have PhDs, they have the doctor name in them, and some of them are in their last year of masters or doing their PhDs. So the classes are very good. They're very good at teaching, and even if you have to want to do research papers on our own, they'll help you throughout the whole process. Like they're really good.
Yeah, so basically they are like it's really experienced, and yeah, they are nice also.
Yes.
Okay, the next question is one of the most asked questions is exam. How is your exam things? And so basically we have two internals. We have that is ISAs and one NSEM exams. Would you like to elaborate?
Okay, so for ISAs, we have two ISAs as I already mentioned, and they are like MCQ based and CBT, like computer based systems. So we just go to the examination center, click, answer.
Basically, it's computer based. NSEM is one you can write or you can just type.
It's hybrid mode.
Yeah, so basically it's that.
Even if you type half the answer and then write half the answer in the booklet that they provide, it's still acceptable.
Yeah, basically the exam pattern that is there, it's like really like it is easy, flexible. Yeah, you just got me. Flexible, so you don't have to worry that much. But exams ke liye padhna jo padta hai,
they're very strict with it, so be careful, huh?
Yeah. And so right now we'll talk about how our semester functions genuinely. So each semester we have 5 to 6 subjects, and each subjects carry some credits. And then throughout the semester we have worksheets, case studies, and also a lot of assignments, research papers, and case reports, along with ISCs and ESs at the end. Would you like to talk more?
So these worksheets and case studies are, for each unit, which is like a chapter, and these are very application based. So you're actually learning and understanding a lot of things to them. The research assignments, they progress gradually as you go through semesters. So for first and second semester, it can be like a basic case report or a review of literature, where you're just trying to practice all the knowledge you're gonna gain. For third and fourth semester, you'll start writing a research paper, which you can go ahead and present at conferences, or if it's really good, you can go for journal publications along with the help of your guide, which is your professor. That's pretty much it.
Yeah. So basically, if you are actually ready to put in a lot of hard work into your degree, you'll actually like get into like you learn a lot of things. You have very nice professors who are
They're
who are-
very supportive
yeah.
and they help you throughout the
yeah,
process.
they'll help you out. They'll try their best to help you
Yeah.
out with everything.
They
So
go out of their way to help you out with your research, which is not assignment. Like it's your own thing, and they'll help you through the whole process. It's
but then
amazing.
you should be the one
Yeah.
who is ready to
Initiative.
you should be able to like कि हाँ मेरे को hard work करना है भाई. So I think that's pretty much of
Yeah.
how the faculty functions. Okay. So next is drum roll for this internships which we die to know about. Okay, so first thing I would like to talk about कि हमारा जो ये department है ना ये बहुत नया है. Till now no batch has like graduated. So we actually don't know how how the procedure is, but whatever we are telling, it's just assumption and our plan how it's gonna like
Go ahead.
go ahead, like how much ever we know. So don't come behind us, okay? Okay, so would you like to talk about the internship and placements?
Yes. So first of all, if we want, we can go ahead and take our own internships that college will not be providing. But you have to be careful with the whole process because some people are scammers and they'll scam
Not
you.
some people, a lot of people.
Yeah.
They're gonna come at you like
Yeah.
give 7,000, I'll give you internship. Yeah.
And don't do that. Don't pay to do your internship. Try to do it for free or maybe get paid as you're doing the internships. So for third year, you'll start getting your internship. The sixth semester is when the whole semester is just you doing your internships, and you have the opportunity to choose to do your internship wherever you want. Like you can do it in your hometown, but you'll have to come back and report the progress and whatever you're learning throughout the internship, which is your basic credits you'll get from the internship. So it's very, very important to get a good one.
Yeah, and about placements, we are not much sure, but then I'll get back to you soon.
We do have our PES University's hospital. So we are thinking they might provide us with internships there only, but let's see.
Yeah. And each week we have guest lectures.
Yeah.
That is a very good thing about our faculty. Each week on Fridays we have guests coming, very experienced and who actually have experience coming and talking to us about what they did and how they did,
Yeah.
and about very interesting topics
Yeah.
and which are not actually discussed in the class and out of our syllabus. Some might be from our syllabus, but like it's really good.
Yeah. Last week we had a guest lecture on FOMO, which is fear of missing out, and she made it so interesting. It was a wonderful session.
Yeah. So basically बहुत कुछ करते हैं हमारे
हाँ,
डिपार्टमेंट
चलता
हमारे
तो
लिए.
बहुत है.
मैंने जितना सुना है कि दूसरे कॉलेजेस में इतना no one does this much, and I have heard from some master students they did BSc from other colleges and they are like इतना नहीं था हमारे कॉलेज में, which makes us really happy because
Yeah.
one thing before coming to this college I was actually not like
Skeptical.
because none of the batches
Yeah.
actually graduated and we were like they're gonna experiment on us.
Yeah.
But honestly now that the master students come and they are like हमारा तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, ये नया कर रहे हैं हम. That's the last question and yeah, we'll wrap up this video after this. So the last question is clubs. आप ही बताओ.
Okay, so we have departmental clubs. So each course will have their own clubs and the common university ka club. So these function on different levels. So for psychology, we right now have expressions, which is like this drama club, and then we have a music club, we have a media club, and then we have Chitta Splash, which is the community service clubs. So we keep hosting events. So during mental health week, we will have our stalls and people will have their performances.
We also have a lot of events happening
Yeah.
in our college, like for our department as well. And I'll tell you, my friends come back and they are like, your department,
We do a lot.
yeah, we do a lot.
People
We
put
have
so much hard
interesting
work.
stuff going on in our department.
Yeah, it's not boring at all.
Yeah.
We have like talent shows, so and fun stuff happening. Like someone proposed a plan for hiking, and then we are just going hiking out of nowhere, which
Yeah.
is just fun.
One more thing is attendance. I guess we didn't talk about that.
We didn't talk about
yeah,
attendance.
so attendance is 75%.
Minimum.
And let me tell you, it's not a joke. They are really serious about your attendance.
You'll get a backlog if you don't, have the attendance for that subject, and they're very serious about it. They take this very, you cannot be
joking
lenient.
around with
Yeah,
it.
you cannot be lenient with their attendance. It's important. They're serious about that. just be careful and rest all will be fine.
I think if you manage yourself properly,
Yeah.
it's not that hard of a thing.
Yeah, just be engaged with the college life. Don't, just be.
Because भाई ये 4 साल ना बहुत जल्दी गुजरने वाले हैं.
Yeah.
For us, it's our second year and the first year went by so fast and I'm like,
too.
why?
ये क्या हो गया?
It's my college life. I want to enjoy. Don't get
Exactly.
over so fast. So
Yeah.
how much time ever you are here, make sure you actually get involved into things and like
stuff.
do stuff and enjoy your college life, because I swear to God, it's so much fun if you actually have people who are like going to make it nice around. Okay. Yeah,
Just
so
have fun,
Just
guys,
have fun.
and live the college
and
life
it's
experience.
actually not that hard. I mean, it's stressful, but
But
then
you
if
have
you
to
manage,
manage.
yeah. Okay, so why am I looking too gory?
It's looking cute.
Okay, now it's fine. Okay, so the last thing I would like to talk about is I know I make a lot of videos about BSc psychology. That's because that's
We
where
are from
we are
BSc
from BSc
psychology.
psychology, and I'm experienced in this, and so I can talk nicely about
We
it.
can give our honest opinions and reviews to you guys.
That doesn't mean I can't get you guys information of other departments. If you are actually interested in knowing about other departments, do let me know in the comment section. Like nursing, honestly I didn't know nursing course existed in our college, because oh my god, we have 24,000 plus students and
lot.
it's a huge college.
Yeah,
So I have no idea कहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, और हर जगह कुछ ना कुछ होता
वो
रहता है
तो।
कॉलेज में. तो अगर if you want to know about any course, DM me. I will try to पक्का get back to you.
She'll bring a guest also from
Yeah,
the
from
department.
now on, I am trying to start a series where I get my BBA, BCom engineering friends and have like interview them. Like today, I got my friend Harshini for the video. So do not be mad at me that I only make videos with psychology things and all. I will try to get back and help you guys with the other departments as well. So I hope you really like this video and give a lot of love, and thank you so much for liking and subscribing and comment.
Like, subscribe, share.
Bye. Thank you for watching, Bruhaha.
What? You want me to
Sweetie, I want to say hi to my vlog. I put this in
Hi, guys.
BS. That's a very weird.
How are you guys?
Hi.
Oh, sorry.
Ask them to subscribe.
Yeah, please subscribe, like, comment, share. We don't know. The exposure is insane.
Is that 4:30 bus?